What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell button. That way you don't miss any of the videos. So for today, we actually have the 1 gallon wet and dry vac by Hart. I actually had picked this up at Walmart. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box, and I'll go ahead and do a demonstration as well, and we'll go ahead and get started right after this. All right, guys, so for my final thoughts, I thought this product did an excellent job, and it being battery powered and not having a cord is so awesome. It just, it's really, really, really cool. Like, it's just so cool to not have a darn cord on there. So that is awesome. Great job on that part. The one thing that I wanted to mention is that it only comes with one tool too as well, and it's a crevice tool. And this is pretty small. I do wish this was a little bit bigger, or a little bit longer actually. And here's the one from Hyper Tough. So it's a little bit longer, but just to be able to get into the crevices on the side of the vehicle and the seat, you know, in that area, I kind of had a little bit of a hard time with this. Again, it just being a little bit longer. The Hyper Tough one does fit on there, so it won't be an issue for me. But I do wish it would have, I wish it would have came with a larger one. The other thing that I wanted to mention too is the filter. So you have to actually have both filters on. I don't really care for that, but the reason why you have to have both filters on is because that's what ends up holding it. That's the thickness. So when you put it around and put the clip on it, so to speak, you're just pushing it and it's holding there because of the thickness of the materials. Because if you remove that and you just put the cloth one on, the cloth filter, it's not going to stay. It'll just slip off. So I really didn't care for that. Of course, because of the wet dry filter, well, the wet filter, that one's thicker. It's a lot thicker. So you can put that one on, put the clip, and it'll stay. But that I really don't care for, just because I would like to have the option of whether to have the wet filter, just, you know, put it to the side, just in case there is kind of like an emergency, so to speak, that I need to pick up those spills, and I could just put it on there instead of having to take both of them off, take that filter off, and then putting it back in and then going. So it's just a little bit more steps. All in all, though, it did an excellent job. Like I said, it cleaned really well, has the power. Using it as a blower too, like, you know, because you can use it right here, the exhaust port, you know, you just put your the tube over here instead of on this side, put it over here, and you're able to use it as a blower. So that was awesome, and I will definitely be using it in that way too, because I know when I'm washing the car, you always end up getting water that keeps dripping for days from the side mirrors, and that way you can just kind of blow that off, and as well as in the wheels, because in the wheels there's always a little bit of water inside where the lug nuts are, in that area, and just blowing that out and drying the tires, you know, that's cool. So everything can move a little bit more quicker. But I'm really happy with my purchase, and hopefully, you know, it holds up. All right, guys, if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you appreciate this type of content, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.